an air bubble of volume V0 is released by a fish at a depth h in lake. The bubble rises to the surface. Assume constant temperature and standard atmospheric pressure P above the lake. The volume of the bubble just before touching the surface will be, density of water is given rho, and the options are V0 rho GH upon P, V0 upon 1 plus rho GH upon P, or is it V0 into 1 plus rho GH upon P. A very nice problem based on Boyle's law. So you are given the volume of the air bubble V0 when the fish is at a depth h in lake. The bubble is rising to the surface. You are considering that the temperature and standard atmospheric pressure above the lake. You want to find out the volume of the bubble just before touching the surface, and density of water is given rho. A very nice and interesting problem, isn't it? So answer is D. It is V0 1 plus rho GH upon P. Now why it is? The situation has been shown to you in the diagram. Initially, when the fish has released the bubble, its pressure was P1 V1, and when it is just touching the surface of the water in the lake, the pressure has become P2 and the volume has become V2. Now here the depth has been given to be h and density of water has been given to be rho. According to Boyle's law, multiplication of pressure and volume will remain constant at the bottom and top. So what you can write, that P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Now when the fish or when that air bubble is inside the lake, in that case the pressure will be given by P plus H rho G into V0, and that is equal to P into V, and therefore the new pressure or the new volume when the bubble is reaching just the surface or under the surface of water, that will come out to be V equal to P plus H rho G upon P into V0. So here you are just making use of the fact that P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Inside the lake, the total pressure will be P plus H rho G, because rho is the density, and you can find it out, the pressure at the level or at the depth h inside the lake. So this is the original pressure, and this one is the new pressure at the surface of lake. Again, a very nice problem to remember.